You can answer that now.
Mr. Speaker, let me first start by appreciating the questions raised and thank Honorable Kimani for reiterating that we must put a lot of effort to protect both protesters and those who do not want to engage in protest by ensuring that their properties are safe. Mr. Speaker, sorry, I'm trying to open a document somewhere, but I'll come to that later. Mr. Speaker, on the question of, and therefore I take the comment from the Honorable Kimani very seriously. Number two is, Mr. Speaker, yes, I'm now there. The Speaker, on the, how do you deal with police officers who shoot and kill people, as Honorable Robert Mbui has raised? And first of all, let me say that the Constitution and the law provides for instances of limitation of the right to life. And Mr. Speaker, it's very clear from the Constitution and also from the law. I issued a directive to the Inspector General of Police, Mr. Speaker, my first of that kind, which is the directive, Mr. Speaker, I was trying to look for, which is a policy directive number 1 of 2015 on the use of force and the use of firearm. Mr. Speaker, in this directive, I made it clear in writing to reiterate what I verbally pronounced when I was in Kikuyu, that police officers have a right to protect themselves when their lives are in danger or when the life of any citizen of this country is in danger. Mr. Speaker, I also explained how they can use force, why they must not use excessive force where there is no danger to life. And I further also explained, Mr. Speaker, what measures we should take, National Police Service should take in this directive to the Inspector General of Police, which include, Mr. Speaker, deploying only officers that are mentally sound, that, Mr. Speaker, are not undergoing any stressful incidences or may have mental health challenges. I also said, Mr. Speaker, protective gear must be given to police officers. Further, I also explained that it is necessary for the National Police Service working together with the Attorney General to ensure that they protect police officers who may be sued or investigated, Mr. Speaker, as a result of protecting themselves or protecting their lives. Mr. Speaker, we have commenced that process, and all the police officers who are facing investigations and were charged for using force or firearm while they were performing their lawful duties, Mr. Speaker, now have a right to be represented by the Attorney General or lawyers from the National Police Service. Mr. Speaker, therefore, I made the statement consciously, knowing that the responsibility to hold police officers accountable is with the IPOA, and this is the ministry that has a policy responsibility to ensure that police officers are responsible. In our Jukwaa la Usalama forum, where we have been meeting all the OCSs in every county, and the sub-county commanders and the county commanders and county security teams, I have also made it clear that the police officers should be respectful to the people of Kenya, should not apply excessive force, and they should protect themselves, Mr. Speaker, when their lives are in danger. I know this conversation is at the context of a peaceful environment, or rather peaceful areas like Nairobi and other parts. But when I went to places like Samburu, Tana River, Turkana, Elgeyo Marakwet, Baringo, this conversation changes because the life-threatening environment that the police officers operate, Mr. Speaker, suddenly the use of force becomes something else, especially if you are in the border of Kitui and Tana River and you're facing serious acts of banditry with very armed characters invading police stations and targeting civilians. You quickly see, even political leaders, their perspective of use of force changes quickly when you take them to Malaso Valley or La Pendera or other parts of this country. So, Mr. Speaker, the directive I gave is uniform. It's not just for protests, it's for all instances that police may face that situation. So, to Honorable Mbui, I am very conscious. As a lawyer, I'm very aware of my constitutional responsibilities, and I made sure that I put it in writing so that any citizen that wants to hold me accountable or before a court of law or parliament can pick the policy directive and quickly, Mr. Speaker, hold me to account. On the question of Budua police station, first of all, let me thank my friend Honorable KJ, because, Mr. Speaker, we are both sports enthusiasts. And so he's reminding me of my short stint in the sports sector, and maybe use that opportunity to tell him that he should help us to make sure that the fans on Sunday will, as much as possible, obey the CAF rules, because we love football. And I'm very happy with the work that was done by Honorable Ababu and what is being done by Honorable Mvurya going forward. The Speaker, on the police station, I think I want to promise the Honorable Member that this is, once you've built a police station and it is available for us to support and deploy police officers, although we are facing strength challenges as we wait for the recruitment, we can have a conversation together, and we can facilitate a conversation between you and the office of the IG to see if we can make some deployment to that police station so that it can support the Dagoretti area, Dagoretti police station area. Kingongo, is it? Yes, the Kingongo area. Mr. Speaker, for the time being, because what people don't know, and I wonder why, at many times, human rights activists and many people are questioning police officers. They're not talking about these things. The Dagoretti police station, when it was banned, the police line was banned, where police officers were living with their families. And everything they had was raised down. In fact, most of the police officers jumped the fence, behind the fence there, and they were rescued by community on the other side and protected. Mr. Speaker, therefore, most of those police officers are traumatized. We had to take them for counseling and give them a break. Mr. Speaker, I know then the jurisdiction that was being covered by that police station is now void. And we can work together with the Member of Parliament from Dagoretti, even though the other side is Kikuyu constituency in Kiambu County. Police officers don't have to have county boundaries if they are enforcing the law to make sure that they protect the people. So we can have that conversation with the IG and support Honorable KJ upon completion of my presence here. Mr. Speaker, Honorable Mukunji.